Hello, beautiful beaders. Welcome to today's DIY beadwork project. First of all, happy Father's Day to dads all over the world. We appreciate all the work that you do and all the sacrifices that you make for us. So in honor of Father's Day, we are going to be making beautiful beaded cards. So prepare to have fun and yeah, let's get started. Project number 1, we are going to be making this beautiful card, and these are the materials you require: red beads, multicolored beads that you can purchase at your local bead store, US A6000 glue, it's perfect for jewelry making and I bought it from an online shop here in Nairobi, and you also need a pair of scissors. You'll also need these printed cards. I made them in Canva and I'm going to leave a link to the template in the description box. The other thing you need is an A4 wooden frame. I bought this wooden frame from Dunco Arts. I'm gonna leave a link to his page as well in the description box. We are going to start by cutting out the hand. Make sure you take your time so that you cut it perfectly. So once you're done, you're going to stick it on the card, and I just love to measure to make sure that it fits perfectly. The next step is to take the red beads and glue them to the love heart. I'm going to use a wooden stick to spread out the glue. And the best way to go about this is to apply the glue to one part and then add the beads. That way the glue won't dry up and the beads will stick perfectly. So take your time to add the beads. Then once you're done, repeat the same process on the hand section. Apply the glue, then add the beads. So yeah, and we're done with the first card. That's how it looks. So leave it for about 3 to 24 hours. On to project number 2, we are going to be making a beaded suit card. So these are the materials you require: blue and white paper that I purchased at a bookshop. You need the E6000 glue, red beads and toothpicks or a piece of wood to spread out the glue. You need a ruler, a pencil and a rubber. You also need a baton and a pair of scissors. The first step is to cut both the papers into half. Then once you've cut it, take the blue card and fold it. Make sure it overlaps because we are trying to make a suit. Then I'm going to just measure where I want to apply the glue by drawing a line. And then we're going to cut out the white part so that it fits perfectly inside the suit. And the white part is going to be our shirt. Once you're done, now you can glue all the parts that need to be glued. Then we are going to make the shirt collar by drawing a line and then cutting it just like I'm doing. The next step is to make a bow tie. I'm going to leave a link in the description box where you can learn how to make a bow tie using paper. The next step is to glue down the bow tie. Take the button that you had and trace it. Once you're done, we want to create a pocket, so you're going to draw 2 triangles and then cut it out. Apply the glue and add the red beads. Add the red beads to the bow tie and to the buttons of the suit. There goes our shirt. We're going to put it inside the suit, and inside the shirt you can write a message to your dad and gift it to him. On to the last project. We are going to be making this You Rock Dad card. I'm gonna leave a link to the template in the description box so that you can download it and decorate the guitar with your favorite bead colors.